In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side marker on the G35 Infiniti. The process for both sides is the same. To remove the side marker, we're going to go to the back and pull straight out and then slide it back. On the top, there's going to be a little clip. Push that down and remove the connector. Remove the side marker. The new assembly comes with a light bulb. Install the connector. We're going to slide this slot forward and then push straight in and click it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.